Well, it's another rainy day. It's a Sunday. And it is cold. It says it's 14 degrees out. But it's also windy. So it feels like 13 according to the thing. On my thing. Good times, good times. Yeah, I guess you see this particular view a lot. So it's all like super saturated and watery and soft and eroded. There's Al. I haven't seen him in a while. How you doing? You wanna go play in the dirt?
Nope.
In the gravel?
Nope.
Not complaining though. Well, apparently, yesterday when I was at MCC, there's a couple of big blasts that took the power out for like a second. Apparently, this is the tree that hit, and MCC is just over there. Wow.
Huh.
That's...
No, it's not lightning hit.
Oh, it's wind.
Yeah, it's wind damage.
Correction, it's wind damage. It's an apple tree, too. Yeah. It's a shame.
Oh no.
Oh no. Indeed. It's a heritage thing.
Heritage tree.
Shit.
By Anna Barkman.
That is a shame. This is Steinbach's oldest apple tree, planted in 1906, and it just got halfified by the wind, by a storm.
109 years old.
Wow.